and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know from the title, this video is all about skincare. I'm very passionate about skincare. I used to break out really badly a couple years ago, and yeah, skincare is very important. What you put on your face is very important. I do think that what you put on your face compared to the actual face wash that you use is much more important than the face wash that you use, because that's just like being rubbed off. Obviously, don't use a shitty face wash, but what you put on your face, moisturizer, serum, sunblock, I think is much more important, and that's what we're going to get into today. So so I am going to do my skincare routine with you, and let's get into it. I'm going to use these really cute little clippies that I use when I do my skincare or my makeup, and I don't want to look like a crazy person when I use my little black headband, which sometimes I use and I look crazy. So clippies. And I have a mirror here, so if I'm looking down, it's because
okay, my apologies, my camera battery died. So moving into the video,
we are gonna start out. I can't speak, or I can't speak. I have words coming out of my mouth, or I don't have no words coming out of my mouth. We're gonna start off with eye cream. Eye cream is one of my very favorite skincare products. It's so moisturizing. This one particularly. This is the Ceuticals Age Eye Complex. I have been using this for, I don't even know, 4 years, like a long time. I'm obsessed with it. It's a little bit on the pricey side, but it's, you know, it's worth it when you want a really good eye cream. I do patting and swooping motions. If I'm like swooping and it's dragging my skin, I will not swoop, because I try to avoid dragging my skin, but the swooping feeling feels too good to not do it, so that's why I do it. But yeah, I will pat it on, and it just feels so good. Then I'm going in with my serum. This is the Ceuticals CE Ferulic serum. It helps with discoloration, just like even skin texture overall. I've been using this for a long time. Again, it is a little bit pricey, but it's very good. I just love this stuff. Like, this stuff is, one time I dropped the bottle and it was a sad day. Should have had a funeral. So I'm gonna take a couple drops, maybe just 4 or 5 drops, and I will put it in the palm of my hand, mix it like this, and then pat it into my skin like this. Make sure it's all evenly in there, and then I'll go down to my neck. Now we're gonna move right into our moisturizer, and this is the Ceuticals Triple Lipid 242 moisturizer. I've been using this not as long as the other products, but I've been using this for like 2 years, I would say. And I really like this one. I used to use this other moisturizer from Ceuticals, which is also an amazing moisturizer, but I've been using this for now and I really love it. So I'll take like a dollop on my finger like that, and I will close the damn thing. And use this much, and I'll basically like plot it on my face where I want it. So I'll put it on my forehead, on my cheeks, on my nose, on my chin, my upper lip, and onto my neck. And then I will go in with my hands and what is the word I'm looking for? Massage it into my face. Put it into my face, massage it into my face. Just spread it everywhere. Try to not pull your skin as much as you see me doing. It's not good for you. I try to, but Okay, and then we'll get that everywhere. And again, bring it down on your neck, because your neck is actually what looks really old when you get older. So take care of, moisturize your neck, put sunblock on your neck and your on the back of your hands. Everybody. Feels so good. Now we are moving on to our last step, which is the sunscreen portion. This is the Elta MD tinted sunscreen. I think it's SPF 50. No, SPF 40. And I wear this every single day. I love that it's tinted because it looks like a shade of makeup on your face, but it's not. It's just tinted sunscreen, and so your skin looks amazing, and you can just go about your day and go about your business and not put on any makeup. Not that I'm doing that today, but that's what you can do. So I will use like this much of it and put it into my rub it into my fingertips like this, and then pat it onto my face. And this glides so nicely that you don't have to pull too much. And now that we have all of our skincare products on our face, I'm going to wash my hands because of this tinted sunscreen, and it will like most likely ish not rub on things, but it kind of is tinted, so I'm gonna go wash my hands. Be right back. And the last step that I cannot skip, because I just will go mad in my soul if I skip this step, is to brush my eyebrows with a spoolie. This is what the spoolie looks like. I just get them off Amazon. I don't know if they're on my Amazon store. If you want me to link it to my Amazon store, let me know in the comments. But I brush my eyebrows. It's almost like brushing your hair, you know? You like have to brush your eyebrows. And then, last step is to take out the clippies. Take out the clippies. My hair is still drying. And I could use some oil. But I'm testing like new ways to do my curly hair. Because you can like fix it with a spray bottle, or you can just jump in the shower and like wet up the whole head. And so I'm like trying to figure out what looks best on me. So I'll definitely be touching on some curly hair videos, because I'm learning a lot when it comes to my head. And that is my skincare routine. The only thing I do different at night is I don't use the CE Ferulic serum, and I switch out a moisturizer for a different moisturizer. It's called Augustus Baller the cream, or something something cream. Extreme cream. I don't remember. But I'm gonna put it in the description, and I'm going to leave you with this. You better make sure you're not drinking plenty of water to stay hydrated, because that is the answer to my skin.